Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This video is to show you how an experienced user can use the Easy-Stow PIR, shown in this particular case in a minivan in a Honda Odyssey, to lift a wheelchair or mobility device into and out of the rear of a minivan or SUV or other type of mode of transportation. So our first step is to hook up to the docking device, raise. We're going to steady the wheelchair as we move in. You'll notice that we've got a belt system right in there. That's going to show you, that's going to give you a way of securing, keeping the wheelchair from rolling around while you're in motion, and also a way of stowing the lift and keep that from moving around. Once we get up high enough and over the floor level here, set the wheelchair down. We're going to have a little belt tie down here. Again, that's just to keep the wheelchair from rolling around. This is not a substitute for a full tie down for the wheelchair. Put that in on both sides. Now we've got the lift in, and we can also detach, raise the lift here, and then just kind of bring the lift down. We're going to use that extra set of belts to get some extra security here, keep that lift in place. Or you could remove the lift and put that right into a storage compartment or the trunk or something like that, or whatever you've got. But most folks will just want to keep it right in place and make life a little easier. We do have two tie-down belts here. Go around the different areas. Raise them, and you're ready to hit the road. Thank you so much for watching our video. You can like us on facebook.com/accessun if you'd like to learn a little bit more about our philosophy. Our YouTube channel is youtube.com/accessun with over 4,000 videos showing you every imaginable mobility device and solution that you could want to enhance your own mobility. You can follow us on Twitter at accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com, and days 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, on the Eastern Standard Time. You can give us a phone call at country code 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for taking time to watch our video and learn more about the Easy-Stow PIR. Please do check out in the notes field down below the lots of other videos showing you this application and access to many other solutions that we have. Have a great day and happy mobility.